Hello YouTube viewers, greetings. Today I want to show you how I will make a PCP tank for PCP rifles. No? Available yan sa Lazada. You can see here, the price is 2,750 plus shipping. So roughly 3,000 pesos. May kamahalan din, pero uh, kaya naman gawin eh. So today I'll try to show you kung paano ako gumagawa ng air tank, and it will cost me about 1,000 pesos. So nakasave ako ng 2,000. Okay? Then tayo papunta. Ito yung material na gagamitin natin para sa tank. Ang napili kong diameter, ito, 35. Tapos ang wall thickness 4 mm. So nabibili to sa Lazada. Ayan, nabibili sa Lazada. Ayan ang price, 771 para sa length na 500 mm. Now, but ito yung napili ko, 4 mm. At saka bakit 35 mm in diameter? Yung reason ng 35, kailangan ko gumawa ng thread sa both ends ng tube, and 35 mm yung pinakamalaking kakasya ron sa torno ko. So 35 yun. Yung second reason, if you look at yung commercial na air tanks, 35 mm din naman ang gamit nila. Now, itong aluminum tube na to na nabibili sa Lazada, ang alloy nito is 6063. This is not 6061. So this is 6063 na T6. Yung tensile strength niya would be a bit lower than 6061. Kaya lang, ito lang yung available. So magsisettle tayo rito. I will discuss later why yung constraints and limits. Okay? Okay. Let's talk about hoop stress, circumferential stress. So hoop stress is acting circumferentially, perpendicular to the axis. What does that mean? Yung effect niyan, pag pressurize mo yung tubo, at some point mamamaga, lolobo yung tubo. So ganun yung itsura ng hoop stress, papalobo, hindi towards the length, iba yun. Length stress yun sa length, no? So hoop stress is along the circumference. Okay. Sabi natin, before we go there, so ito yung formula, no? The formula for hoop stress is P, that's the internal pressure inside the tube. Tapos D, ito yung D, that's the internal diameter. Okay? Internal, hindi external. Internal diameter. Divided by 2 times the cylinder wall thickness. Yun yung letter T. Okay? Now, sabi natin kanina, bili tayo ng aluminum tank sa Lazada. Ito, Fuji na ang alloy 6063. With an outside diameter of 35 mm. Ayan, 35. And a wall thickness of 4 mm. Now, wag kayong masyado maguluhan dito. This is just conversion. Ito, meron ko yung inches immediately below nung millimeter na value. So, kino-convert ko yan para later magamit ko yung formula. So, see, divide by 25.4 converts my millimeter into inches. Okay? Ganun lang yan. So, internal diameter is 27, wall thickness is 4 mm. So, sinet ko yung internal pressure ko sa 3,000 psi. For me, this is reasonable na kaya kong ibomba manually. Although meron akong compressor, so dito na lang tayo, 3,000. The lower, the safer. And if I convert that to megapascal, ito, MPa, that's 21 megapascal. Okay. Now, dito, the next line, I compute for the hoop stress. Makikita niyo yung formula here. Andyan, ayan o. Yan yung, ito, it's the same formula. So, given yung tube natin, na kunyari, 35 mm yung bilhin natin, 27 yung internal diameter, 4 mm yung wall thickness, the computed hoop stress is 10,000 psi. Okay? Now, ang material natin is aluminum 6063. Ang tensile strength niyan is 28,000 psi. You can Google for this value, no? So search for tensile strength ng aluminum 6063. You will arrive at this number. So the question now is, how far away am I from the elastic limit? Elastic limit means yan yung point na nag-deform yung aluminum na hindi na babalik sa dati. That's your elastic limit. And looking at these numbers, na 28,000 for aluminum and my hoop stress is 10,000, I am 2.8 times away from the elastic limit. So may safety factor ako. Hindi siya eksaktong nasa elastic limit. I'm 3 times away. Okay. So now let's talk about yung lip. What is this lip? Ito. So if you notice the diameter, the outside diameter is the same. Pero yung tube or cylinder wall thickness, this is thinner. 2 mm lang. Samantalang yung actual tank natin is 4 mm. Kaya ito 2 mm. This would be machined dun sa tubo, dun sa very tip. Meaning, at that point or at that area dun sa tube, yung wall thickness niya paninipisin ko sa torno. It will be thinner. I'll make it 2 mm. The reason for doing this, first, is for the O-ring. Okay? So may uupuan yung O-ring. Pero meron yan second benefit na hindi masyadong obvious. Since pinanipis ko yung tubo, the question is, ano yung hoop stress niya at that location sa tubo? So again, if I compute, ito yan, kaya meron siyang katabi. Yung internal pressure natin is still 3,000 psi. And the hoop stress now, dahil mas manipis yung wall thickness, you notice, tumaas yung hoop stress. It's now 23,000 psi. Kanina nasa 10,000 yung hoop stress nung 4 mm yung tube. Now it's 23,000 psi dahil 2 mm na lang yung tube. So with the 2 mm tube, the question is how far away from the elastic limit. So it's only 1.2 times ng elastic limit. What does that mean? Diyan na mag-uumpisang mag-deform yung aluminum tube sa very tip. So you can think of it as a safety factor. How does it do that? Bago lumobo yung tangke natin, mag-flare muna yung dulo. Magiging korting trumpet yan. Siya yung unang lolobo, siya yung unang mamamaga, yung very tip. And hanap ako ng example sa YouTube if I can share actual photos with you. So, instead of putting in a fuse, a mechanical fuse, na pag na-exceed mo yung pressure, puputok yung fuse, ito, hindi na ako naglalagay ng fuse, no? I use this instead. Pinanipis ko yung wall thickness, and I know at 3,000 psi, I'm 1.2 times yung elastic limit. So, pag in-exceed ko yan, I can expect na magde-deform yung dulo ng tangke. So, pag nag-deform yung dulo mo, you have exceeded the limit, wag mo nang gamitin yung tangke. Okay? Yun na yan. So, that's for safety also. First, it's for the O-ring. Second, it's for safety. Here I'm showing an example nung nag-deform na tube. You will notice a very tip at the very end, mas malaking diameter, naging korting trumpet. This tube was deliberately exposed to overpressure, kaya nagkaganyan. And this video came from Lane Regulators. Itong image na to his credit, no? I'll post a link below. Siya gumawa niyang actual na test niyan. So, yeah, you can see it's actually working, no? That's your safety feature. Pag lumababa ng ganyan yung tubo mo, itapon mo na. What's the benefit? Hindi ka sinabugan. Okay?